Hello, let's add seeds to this little watermelon basket that I've crocheted. The back side does not have any seeds yet. Let's do that. Let's get started. I have approximately 3 yards of black yarn and a yarn needle. So let's thread this through. We're going to be using a double strand of black yarn. So we have a long double strand of black yarn. I probably have too much, but we're going to get started. So I like to work right to left. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start over here. This watermelon seed is going this direction, so I'm going to want this watermelon seed to be going that direction, and then just work my way around. As you can see, I've just randomly put the watermelon seeds in, and I try to start like 1 to 2 rows up and then just randomly put the watermelon seeds in and pull this through, leave a generous tail, and then I go over at a slant and I try to go down into a stitch. I don't go down in a space, that's a space. I go down into the yarn. I split the yarn, and that's too big. I'm at a wrong spot. So if you're wondering how big, probably I think I will go right here. And it can be a little bit finagly. You might have to work just a little bit at it. All right, pull that through. Try to keep the twists out of it, but if there are twists, you can fix that. There we go. There's one watermelon seed. Now I think I want one to kind of go up through the center right here. And he's going up and down, so I think I'll make this one go up and down. I'm feeling with my fingers underneath to make sure I don't have any bulges, and I don't. I'm splitting the yarn. Pretty simple. Don't pull extremely tight. And this watermelon seed on this level is going this direction, so I'll go this direction for this watermelon seed. And I'll just eyeball it. You know, watermelon seeds are not extremely symmetrical inside of a watermelon. Well, some of them are, but generally not. It's feeling kind of funny underneath there. Let me get this one put in place, and then we'll go to the inside and look. Right, this was the previous where I've knotted it off. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a gap here, and I picked up on that. So let's go to the front and work that out. Okay, there was my problem, so I'm going to work that out. There we go, all fixed now. There we go. And you do that all the way around the basket until you meet the rest of the seeds. Now, isn't this an adorable little watermelon basket? Has handles, a little reverse single crochet. I'll show you how to crochet this basket in the future. I've also made an accompanying watermelon scrubby and a watermelon dishcloth, and you can just toss those down in the basket and give those as a gift to somebody. Isn't that a fun gift? It was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I hope you'll come again soon. Bye.